What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have my new ice portable maker. I've given a chance from Amazon to review their product, and this product is an ice portable maker. I got this for $97. That's including tax. So it's an ice portable maker, ice maker machine for home, manual water, barrel water supply. Okay. As you see, it's still brand new, never been opened. So I'm going to use my knife to open it up. Got it. Open this up. This is what you guys will see. So it comes with the this is the model number, model CB112Z. Okay, and it has the user manual. The model is CB-12Z. You need to read the instruction manual first before you guys will start using this. They have an email address, ice.maker after sales at outlook.com. This ice maker is easy to understand because the instruction manual is written in English. So you need to follow this instruction first before you start using this. There's installations, instruction how to clean this up. Okay, that's what it looked like. Okay, so it comes with an AC adapter. For customer support online, you can scan the QR code, and it will able to guide you to send them an email to their technical support, and they will help you out whatever issue that you guys will have with this type of ice maker. I remove the styrofoam, so I need to remove this one. So this is the actual unit, so I need to upside down. I need to remove all this plastic. This is the bottom, so it has a draining plug here that you're able to drain the water inside. It has a screw. So it has a rubber underneath, so it will stay still. That's a good thing. Okay, look at this. It has an AC socket to the back of this ice maker, and there's a vent to the side. So I already removed everything here. Remove the AC cord. So this is the actual unit itself. So the features that it came with this, it has a quiet and energy efficient and a user-friendly operations, multi-use functions. You can enjoy your cool life everywhere. You can drink your delicious juice, the lemon juice or the iced coffee. I basically drink lemon juice and an iced coffee every day. And the features that they added to this, it comes with the 9 pieces ice bullet cube within 6 minutes. It's a quick ice production, chewable ice texture bullet ice cube. It is a compact and portable design. This ice maker designed for home, model number ZB, Z as in zebra, B as in boy, -12, Z as in zebra. The ice making capacity of this is 12 kilogram with and 24 hours operations. So the ice storage is 600 grams. The water tank is 1.5 liter. So that's a good thing. That's a good plus for this type of portable ice maker, because it has enough water tank capacity, and its rated voltage frequency is 120 volts 60 hertz, which is the current electric voltage in the US. The input power is 170 watts. So if you guys have a power inverter or a power generator like what I have, I basically plug this into my generator, and no need for me to plug this in to an AC outlet, because my generator, it comes with an AC outlet. So I save tons of money while I'm using my solar panel, my portable solar panel. So prior that you guys will start using this, so I would like to point out to you guys the weight, the net weight capacity, the net weight of this portable ice maker is 5.6 kilogram. The measurement is 288 to 225 to 262 mm. So it's not as big. See, it's a compact design, very convenient use. I got this for $97. It's an affordable that you can buy from Amazon. But this one, it's a it's been given to me by Amazon. I bought it, and then they refunded my money, and they want me to try this out, how good this one. So I'm lucky that they give me an opportunity to review this type of product. I don't have the ice maker before, even though that I have an issue with my Whirlpool refrigerator, that it comes with the ice maker as well, and it has a filter. But my ice maker never make ice right now, because the food inside the frigidaire, it's full of fruits, and it's full of food as well that I store. So with that thing happen, the ice maker won't make ice. So I'm lucky that I came across that Amazon give me an opportunity to review their product. So first thing and foremost, you need to clean this up. This ice scooper, this is the ice scooper. So it has a tray. So the tray is here. You need to remove this out. You need to clean this up, this tray as well. Make sure that you clean up the tray. The ice bullet, it will make within 6 minutes, which is a 9 bullet cube. So you need to clean this up with soap and water, and you need to build up the water to this tank. So as you see, it's a 1.5, and you need to clean this up as well. You need to remove this one. Make sure that you clean up everything. Clean it with clean it with soap. Do not use a detergent. So I'm gonna clean this up later on. I'm showing you guys once I turn this on using my power inverter or my power supply, and then let's see how this thing will work. In 6 minutes, because they claim this ice maker able to make ice within 6 minutes, and the selections it can make small and large, so it depends upon your setting. This is the selector, and that's the on button, and it will remind you if you need to add up water, because it will blink to that, and the level lights will turn on if the tray is full. So for now, I need to clean this up to my sink, and after that, I'm going to show you guys how this ice maker will make an ice within 6 minutes. Okay, so I clean this up with soap, and that's a soap. I clean this up with soap and warm water. Okay, after I clean this up, I'm gonna clean up also the tank, which is that tank. I'm gonna clean it up. Okay, so I'm done cleaning this basket, and I'm done cleaning the scooper. Okay, prior that you guys use your ice maker, they recommended and strongly to people who are using this type of portable ice maker, to clean up thoroughly, you need to unplug the cord, which I already unplugged it, and you need to remove the ice bucket, the basket rather, and you need to clean the interior. You need to clean this interior and the ice basket with mild diluted detergent and warm water. You need to remove the drain cap to the drain water to insert after drainage. Then the outside of the ice maker should be cleaned thoroughly with the mild detergent solutions, and you need to dry the interior and exterior and the basket with soap cloth. And when the machine is not in use, remove the water drain cap to completely drain the water tank. Okay, so what we guys need to do, we need to clean this up. We need to put a soap. Make sure that you guys use a detergent soap, not a strong detergent soap. And after that, you need to unplug. You need to unplug this up so that you guys are able to drain this easily underneath, so no water remaining inside this ice maker. Okay, so I already put the soap inside. I put the drain, so the drains drain it up, and make sure you clean that also the interior. You see those stainless steel, those are the if you see those 9 stainless steel like a stick, those are the stick that it will make the ice. It has 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those are the 9 stainless steel that making an ice. You better clean that up, and also put a soap on it. Use a soap detergent, not a strong detergent, and drain it up, and you're set to go once you dry it up. Okay, so get a paper towel and dry it up. Once you're ready dry and you are set to go, you're able to use this one. Make sure that you place it back, the drain plug. You need to plug it in again, and you need to pour water to the maximum level. You see that maximum level, and you need to turn this on. And I'm showing you guys, once I turn it on, how this ice maker will make an ice. Once this ice maker will make 2 to 3 set of bats of ice, throw it out. Don't use it. Throw it out. Save the ice. Put it in your plants or any grafted trees that you guys have in your home. And the next batch, which is the fourth or either the third batch of ice, you are able to use it out. I basically do that way. And because the reason why I do that way, my mom has an ice maker that we got from Home Depot before. Similar to this one, same size. This is a compact size, and it has also a 9 tubular, like a cigarette tubular, 9 cigarette tubular. This is a bullet ice maker, not a nuggets that you are able to chew easily. But this one is a little bit solid, but it's good for juice, whatever juice that you guys have, whether it's a lemon, orange juice, or either soda. This is the best. This is the best bullet ice that you guys will have for this type of ice maker, the portable ice maker. Now I'm done cleaning. The only thing that I need to do is to try it out, use my power inverter, and let's see how this thing will work. Okay, within 6 minutes. Because I'm done cleaning, I need to place this back, the drain plug. I need to plug this in, and after that I'm gonna dry up the exterior of this of this ice maker, and then I'm gonna put the basket inside, and let's see how this thing will work. So I have a 1 liter of water. I'm gonna pour it inside. So as you see, it's in a medium level, so I need to add up until I reach the maximum water level. So I'm gonna pour in an additional water until I reach the maximum level. Now already reached the maximum level, so I need to drop this in this basket and leave this in this cooper and fire this out. I'm gonna use my 1000 watts power burner, so I'm gonna turn this on. Now I still have about 24% of juice. Fire this in. Now let's see. So you see, now it's on. Press this button. Now it's starting to make. You can select small or large. I would choose a large, and then let's see. Wait for 6 minutes or so, and this thing will start up making an ice bullet. Okay. That's what you guys will see here. Now the motor just kicked in. The motor just kicked in. See? That's how you hear the evaporator. So the evaporator just kicked in. Now starting to cool up. It's a 12 kilogram, 24 hours. Water tank capacity 1.5. Voltage regulate. Rated voltage frequency 120 volts, 60 ampere. Rated current is 1.5 ampere, 170 watts. This is made in China. Okay, that's how it sounds. It has an air vent to this, and it has also an air vent to that side. So let's see within 6 minutes. I set it to a large. You are able to select it by pressing this button. I don't want the small one, I want the large. So it takes 6 minutes. Now it kicked into 67 watts, as you see. Let's see. Within 6 minutes, I will have my bullet ice. But as what I said a while ago, the first, second, or third batch, I basically throw it out, even though that I clean up the rod. If you see the rod inside, I already clean it up. But I still not using the first batch, the second batch. Probably the third batch I'm gonna use it. But for now, I'm not gonna use the first and second batch. But let's see, within 6 minutes, I'm showing you guys once this portable ice maker will make an bullet ice. Okay, with I use my power burner. Now my battery, now it kicked into 71 watts, 23% of juice through my 1000 watts power inverter or power generator. Okay guys, after you clean your ice maker, all you need to do to remove the basket and then the scooper, and all you need to do, just pour it. You see the level, that's a max level, so you need to put a filter water and make sure that the drain plug underneath is closed. Okay guys, you need to pour a water to the maximum level. You see there's a level line. Pour enough water, a filter water. Do not exceed to that line because you need to put this basket inside, and we're gonna start it up. Let's see how this thing works. I already plug it in using my power generator, and then you see the button. So there's an S. S stand for small eyes. L stand for large eyes. It's blinking. Select which one do you like. If you like the larger one, just select large. If you like the small one, select the small one. Okay. So I choose the large one. I need to press this, the on button. It will lit the solid like that. Once this machine will start up, it takes only 6 minutes to make a bullet eyes. If you guys see the tubular stainless steel, and there's a wire spout that spray the wire through the cylindrical stainless steel. That stainless steel rod, it will make 9 ice bullets, and it's a chewable. This is a great product, chewable product that you can buy from Amazon. Okay, just wait until this machine will make an ice. Just wait for a little bit. Okay. Just wait for a while. So I use my other power inverter, the bigger one, the 1000 watts. So I plug in the AC cord. Now it's blinking. I press on. You can select small eyes or you can select large eyes. So just wait up to 6 minutes, and this ice maker will make a 9 bullet ice. Okay, now you guys hear the humming sounds coming from this vent. Okay, now the evaporator machine is already running. Now it's starting to making an ice. You see the inside, the tubular stainless steel already been soaked with water. The water came out from that spout to the side. It's already filled with water. So we need to wait until the water already been solidified into ice. Now it can make up to 9 bullet ice, which are chewable. This is a great product, and I highly recommend you guys buy this from Amazon. Some people, they buy a nuggets ice cube. Okay guys, once you hear the humming sound like that, it means to say that your machine's working, and you need to wait for 6 minutes or so until the wire already been solidified. You see the ice already built up to the coil, to the top, and you see the cylindrical 9 coil stainless steel. Oh, that's the as an aluminum. So just wait up to 6 minutes or so, and that coil can build a 9 bullet ice, which are all chewable. This is a way different from the other bullet ice that is not chewable, but this one is a chewable ice. I can guarantee. It's a little bit cost than an ordinary ice maker, but it's worth it at all because it's a chewable. Because if you buy a chewable nuggets, that one it costs like $150, $170, but this one it costs less than that. We got this machine for $97.53 in change. $97.53 in change. It's a good machine, compact, easy to use. It's a chewable 9 bullet ice cube, which is good. It's a very nice ice chewable. Similar to the nuggets. For 6 minutes, it can make 9 bullet ice chewable. It's a very good product. Now it consumes 80 watts. Now it's already the ice already made. You see, it goes down by itself. Look at that, beautiful. Now it goes down. Okay, this is a very nice product, I can say. Look what happened. Boom, there you go. This is a finished product, the chewable ice. This is not like the other this is not like the other bullet ice. As you can see, the texture, it's a little bit this is the large size and not as big as the other chewable tube ice. But this one, the bullet ice, is not as like any other bullet ice. This one you can chew it. I will chew this one, try it out. It's soft and easy. And it tastes like a full of ice. See the light on them? Now, you can make another set of ice by pressing this again. So wait for another time. Gonna make another batch of ice and I put this to my fridge. Because my Whirlpool fridge, it didn't make an ice anymore because of the foods inside are too congested. I already put the ice inside my fridge. Hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. And if you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. That's the ice maker. Model number Z as in zebra, B as in boy, dash 12Z as in zebra. Okay. The ice making capacity is a 12 kilogram within 24 hours. 1.5 liter water capacity is a 1.5 ampere rated current and 170 watts. Okay. Again, this is a bullet ice chewable that you can buy from Amazon for $97.53. It's not like the other chewable nuggets ice maker that it can cost you $200 to $300. For the fractions of the cost, I would rather suggest you guys buy this bullet ice chewable ice maker. It's a good product from Amazon. I've given a chance to review this product and I'm satisfied for this type of product. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Till next time, guys. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.